Alright guys, so this is a quick and easy video on how to make your own mocha latte at home. Alright, so basically these are all the things you're going to need. A Keurig cup, coffee of your choice, and I'm going to be using my French vanilla Aldi's coffee. I have my water because I have a single serve one, so I have to pour the water in. Some Swiss Miss, and this is a jar that I just put my Swiss Miss in because I buy the big jumbo jar from Sam's. So I have Swiss Miss, some whipped topping, and creamer of your choice. It's that simple. So let's get started. I love this little spoon from from IKEA. So I'm gonna put 3 of these in, and that's it for the chocolate, hot chocolate. And then we are going to put our, I forgot to put the K-cup in. Hold on, guys. Okay. And then I'll be right back once that brews. Alright, once it's done, you're going to mix it up. Make sure the hot chocolate is mixed up well with the coffee. And then you're going to get your creamer. I love coffee with my creamer. If you're the same, you'll like it just like this. And then I'm going to shake this up. And that is your tasty homemade mocha latte. Listen, this is life abundantly. I hope y'all don't hear them eggs in the background. They're boiling really loud. But anyways, this is a homemade mocha latte, and I tell you, I have these almost every morning, especially in the winter. They are amazing. Amazing. Okay, so try it, tell me how you like it, and leave comments below if you have any ideas for me or anything you want me to share. I also do a mint one with peppermint, like candy canes, and like I think I shared my one where I did with the thin mints like last year or a year before last. But these are nice treats for adults, and sometimes I let the girls have one. So yes, that is my homemade mocha latte from home. I hope you guys enjoy. Later, Gators.